Getting a little cool as the sun starts going down. I got the driver's door glass in. I water sanded the left quarter panel with 3000 grit sandpaper. Water sanded the right quarter panel with 3000 grit sandpaper. Got the panel that goes in front of the trunk lid. Water sanded it with 3000 today, and David buffed it for me while I held it so it wouldn't go flying across the shop. Got this door glass all cleaned up, ready to go in. Probably going to buff the quarter panels tomorrow night and start putting the moldings on so I can put the trunk lid on. I'd like to get that trunk lid put on maybe Thursday night so I can get this thing narrowed down. I'm ready to cruise. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, tell me what you think. I got the passenger's window put in, got the passenger's door lock put in, I got the right quarter panel all buffed up, shined up real good. Stuck the panel on there. Finish that up tomorrow night. Got this quarter panel all buffed up. Got the windows where they'll roll up and down real good. Tomorrow night I'm going to put the moldings on around the top and see if I can get the trunk lid on.